What's up, everybody? D'Angelo here. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video for you guys on how I made $200. Well, I guess I should say $195 for the people that are going to go through and add up all the numbers. So $195 in less than 30 minutes doing the adult method. So as you guys can see right here at 857, $35, 908, $45, 910, 35, 917, 35, 920, 45. 925, 35. So this is your typical little, $35 for the initial product, and then a $10 upsell. All right, and that's it. So that's all this was right here for this particular campaign. Now all you have to do for this right here is literally use 3 apps. Like I said, obviously I'm not gonna say which 3 apps it is. Like I said, I got people who actually paid $1,000 for this course or whatnot, and it would be extremely dirty to go and just put it all out here on YouTube for free. But these 3 apps right here, and then we send all the traffic we get from those apps to our main app. All right, and then from there, we just click one button, and all the people that sent us, that came over here from these apps right here onto this app, we click one button and it sends them out a message, and boom, we get paid. So, and it's not like they'll maybe get it like email marketing or anything like that. Like, it goes 100% to their inbox like that. So no, if they're gonna get it, no hoping they're gonna get it. No, it's going to a spam box. No, there's this limit to how many messages you can send. None of that. You instantly, all the people that follow you, come from these apps right here. They go to your main app, and you, again, send out your message, and then boom. That's it. That's the whole process. And you just do this every single day. That's it. That's legit the whole thing. Alright? And there's going to be an update with this app soon here to where all of this entire product right here can be 100% automated. So that'll be coming soon or whatnot. But yeah, like I said, guys, like, stupid easy money. Like, you guys saw the other campaign here. This is, from the first day or whatnot. Like, the payments just come in repeatedly. Like I was saying before, like, the only reason I talk about this method now is because I can actually make money off of it. Like, now I can make money from it now. Before, there was no way for me to make money after, like, I gave this campaign away. So even if I charge like $20,000 for the campaign, and then you go out and make $50,000 for the year, like, and it's like guaranteed. It's not like something where you got like CPA marketing. Now, don't get me wrong. You guys know I love CPA marketing with a passion, but you got to spend thousands of dollars on tracking. Then you got to spend, thousands on software and, all the other stuff that go with it. And you got to, go through your spy tools, and then you got to go through this, and you got to go through that, and it's like a whole bunch of stuff. With this, you literally download a few apps, and all you need is your phone. You don't need to build a website. You don't need to build landing pages. A website will make you more money, though. I'm going to say that. That's an additional income source, but it's not needed. Boom. Just like that. So basically, you download 4 apps, and within a day, you're making full-time income. I mean, not bad, right? And it's not like you need a whole bunch of money to get started. There are barely any barriers of entry. If you can use a cell phone, you can do it. Like I said, I was never able to charge what this method was worth, so I just shut my mouth about it. You guys know me. I'm not the type that will come on here and be like, oh, look how much money I'm making. Look how much money I'm making. None of that. Why am I going to do that for? Like, I don't believe in doing that. But, yeah, like I said, the results speak for themselves or whatnot. But let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. I think we should actually get into like some actual training. It's been a while since I made an actual training video. Well, technically that's not true. Well, 2 months that I took off. Well, I shouldn't say I got took off. I was forced off YouTube. The channel got shut down and everything. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. I'm thinking maybe doing a CPA marketing video or something. Just put something out there. Let me know what you guys think. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff.